Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and disconnecting all cables. This is essential for safety and to avoid data corruption. Once off, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and remove the case panel. This prevents static damage to components. Make sure to locate and identify the existing drive, its connectors, and mount points so you know exactly where the new SSD will go. Once you've confirmed backups and tools, you're ready to remove the old drive and proceed to the swap. You'll now unscrew and slide out the old drive, paying attention to connector orientation so you don't bend pins. Once removed, compare form factor 2, 5M2 or 3, 5 adapter, and transpose mounting hardware exactly as it was. Insert the new SSD gently, secure its screw or bracket, and connect the same power and data cables. A loose cable causes intermittent errors. Make sure connectors click and the drive sits flat. This ensures proper thermal contact and stable electrical connections during the first boot. You should boot into BIOS or UEFI first. Confirm the new SSD appears and set it as the boot device if necessary. Once the system recognizes it, proceed to clone your image or perform a fresh OS install depending on your plan. Cloning preserves settings, reinstalling gives a clean slate. After the OS loads, run a disk integrity check and update the SSD firmware if offered. If the drive isn't detected, reset cables, try another port, and check BIOS settings. This simple troubleshooting fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.